6, 7. Oh, I mean 4, 6. That's the question we're talking about today. Is a 6-nail installation pattern on your roof really going to make a difference? Well, the short answer is yes. And it's part of how we install every single shingle roof here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof. The reality is that the building code in Michigan only requires a 4-nail installation pattern. But when you actually look up how to qualify for the higher win rating warranties from the shingle manufacturers like CertainTeed or GAF or Malarkey, Owens Corning, almost every single one of them, to qualify, you do need that higher or expanded 6-nail installation pattern. Now, those ratings and warranties may require some other components with them, but it is the central part of qualifying for it. In fact, while the building code here in Michigan only requires a 4-nail installation pattern, when you look at other parts of the country like southern Florida, Texas, areas that are very prone to high winds, many building codes actually require a 6-nail installation pattern. Now, we don't get tornadoes here, but we do get wind shears and straight line winds. And call us old-fashioned, we just believe Murphy's Law is a real thing. By putting in that 6-nail installation pattern, we lessen the chance for what can go wrong. In the event that there's a goofy wood knot where the nail is being driven in and it doesn't fully adhere on one, you still have the 5 other nails in that nail strip, keeping that shingle secure and in place. And while it does increase the cost because you have the cost of the nails, the increased labor in installing 6 on every shingle instead of 2, it's a minimal increase, and we think the output or the return on your investment in terms of performance and years that roofing system will last are well worth it. It's why it's an integral part of our 12-step proprietary Rhino Roofing system that we install with our shingle roofing systems, both on residential and commercial applications. So at the end of the day, does 6 nails make a difference? We absolutely believe so. And based on the win rating warranties from the shingle manufacturers, they tend to agree as well. So if you'd like to learn more about it, see what kind of impact this could make on your home or your building, we'd love to help. You can always give us a call at 586-566-0308. You can skip the line, book online at www.kanga-roof.com. As always, we really do hope you got some great benefit and information from this. If you're enjoying the videos, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button because we're always coming out with new topics and ideas. Lastly, and most of all, I hope you have a Kangarific day.